Is it time to buy or sell Expion360 stock? In this video, we will explore Expion360 in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 20th of September, 2024, our system has categorized Expion360 as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 37.97% since we initially recommended purchasing Expion360 just 2 days ago. This equates to an average return of 18.99% per day since being designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next movement, as it may take either direction. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the top trend line at 20 cents may initially indicate a slowing rate of decline, but it could also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 86% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a complete loss to a decline of around 76%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of nearly 78% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from a total loss to an increase of over 208%. This projection translates to a price range of 0 to 36 cents after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Expion360 includes the headline, High Volatility in Expion360 Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at 0.117. The Expion360 Inc. stock price gained 37.97% on the last trading day Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, rising from 0.0848 to 0.117. It has now gained over 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or experiences a brief pause in the upcoming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 37.36%, with a day low of 0.0961 and a day high of 0.132. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 94.35% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 billion shares, with a total of 425 million shares traded for approximately $49.76 million. It is important to consider that falling volume accompanied by rising prices may indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $6.39, while the lowest price was 0.0503. Currently, the price is 98.17%, or $6.27, below the 52-week high, and 98.96%, or $11.17, below the all-time high reached on April 1st, 2022, when the price peaked at $11.29. Expion360 Inc., trading under the symbol XPON, is actively expanding its market presence through strategic partnerships and effective capital raising. Recently, the company announced a collaboration with Alaskan Campers to provide advanced lithium battery solutions for truck campers. This partnership highlights Expion360's commitment to enhancing off-grid capabilities, potentially increasing demand for its products and positively influencing sales growth. Furthermore, Expion360 concluded a public offering valued at $10 million, which strengthens its financial position and supports future expansion. The additional capital will likely fund further product development and marketing efforts, providing a long-term boost to the company's operational capabilities. In its second quarter of 2024 earnings call, the management discussed these developments, indicating a focus on innovation amidst competition in the lithium-ion battery sector. The positive reception of these initiatives could result in increased investor confidence, driving up stock prices in the short term. Expion360 continues to forge partnerships like its recent agreement with KZ Recreational Vehicles. The firm is not only solidifying its presence in the recreational vehicle market, but also positioning itself for long-term growth. Investors will be watching closely how these strategies unfold, as they could significantly affect stock performance moving forward. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to the stock of Expion360. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Expion360. The stock of Expion360 Inc. displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected from the levels of 0.0683 and 0.0822. A breakdown below either of these points would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, and to date, the stock has increased by 125.43%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 141 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 175 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal 161 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Expion360. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume at 9.8 cents and 8.86 cents. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is heightened. A drop below the support at 8.86 cents may lead to a significant decrease in the stock price. This stock can experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the extensive prediction interval suggested by the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 35.9 cents between its highest and lowest points, translating to 37.36%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 48.86%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Expion360, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 9 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Expion360. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Expion360 encounters its first support level at 0.098. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Expion360 from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is more than 3 months old. The latest transaction occurred on the 5th of June, 2024, when Yozamp John Henry conducted an insider sale of 29,727 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.114, which represents a decrease of 2.94%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. The relative strength index for 14 periods is 78, which considerably heightens this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is Expion360 stock a good buy? Expion360 Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we still do not consider these sufficient for a buying recommendation. At this point, it should be regarded as a hold or accumulation candidate while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, September 24th, we anticipate Expion360 to open lower by 0.02 of a dollar and begin trading at 11.5 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.